Y'all, I'm sick and tired of wearing this goddamn hat wig. I need to do something different. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amber J, and here we discuss entrepreneurship, everything hair, and lifestyle vlogs. Today, we're going to create some wig that we've never done before, and y'all gonna do it with me. I got this cap. This is the Make Your Own Wig Natural Look Style Breathable. So it's a dome cap in the back, and then it's like a lace in the front. I was going for the original dome cap, but they didn't have it, and I told you I was pressed for time, so I just grabbed what I feel like I can do it. I got some thread and a needle, just regular. You can then come in and glue them tracks in with the glue. Okay, so that's all the stuff that I bought. Now to the hair. Details on the hair. I got a 1B bundle set. The inches are 18, 20, 22 with the 18-inch closure. It says from Bobbi Boss. It's a 1B. It's a little darker than I anticipated it to be, but it is a 1B. For it to be, what, $40? This hair feels quite nice. Quite nice. And I got a wavy kind of texture, kind of look. I wanted it to do straight, but I wanted to have the option to have it wavy or straight too. So this is what it looked like. That's the curl pattern. This is considered a 4-inch deep part. Here's the front of the lace. I mean, you're not really getting any baby hairs here, okay? We get. I'm gonna take out the largest one. This is the 22 inches. I don't know who I thought I was getting these bundles, baby. But I wanted to go for something long. I've been doing short, classic, clean, cute, bougie baby for a minute now. But I want some bust down bundles. You feel me? Here's the width, thickness. Push that back in there. 22. If I stand up, put this the back of my nape right here, baby. It's giving hip. That is the longest bundle that I have, 22 inches. That feels nice. Love the wave. It's giving very beach body wave. The ends look good too. I'm just saying. $40, y'all. You can't. Come on now. Here's the 20 inches. Oh my God. Okay, here's the 20 inches. Here's the bundles. Like I said, you're not gonna get like the thickest, but I'm gluing it in there, so I'm cool with that. I can double these too. And if I put this in the back, it goes right here. Here's the 18. 18 is a little smaller. Normally, the shorter the bundles get, the thicker they get. But I guess it's because there's a closure too. So like I said, 18. And they are true to length. I will say that. They are true to length. Texture-wise, like I said, it feels really good. And I'm not getting like any shedding, tangling for it to be wavy hair. I was afraid that if I did get wavy hair, it was gonna start tangling, looking like store-bought hair, but it doesn't. So I'm really happy about that. Let's get into the mini details of the hair. This is the tag that comes on it. Like I said, Bobbi Boss Miss Origin Designer Mix. Bundle hair, 12A, 4-inch lace closure, 1-pack solution. Natural body wave, 1B. If y'all can't find these details, just look for her. Look for the girl, okay? If that ain't her, that ain't it. 18-inch, 20-inch, 22-inch lace closure. It says it's infused with black castor oil, sealed in moisture. So it's probably why the hair feels as good as it does. It's a human hair blend infused with black castor oil, full volume and manageability, natural feel to the touch, excellent style retention, scalp comfort, itch free, tangle free, shed free. There you go. There you go. I like it. That makes sense. So everything that's on here has been true based on me touching the hair. And then also, a lot of people don't realize this. Like, you know, when you buy hair and you want to get it again, instead of keeping this whole tag, Bobbi Boss has this thing where you can bend this part and keep it, so you know what you had. And they got different styles and colors. Whoever they are, they're cute. So yeah, let's go. All right, y'all, so first things first, let's get these braids out my head. All right, I'm gonna take these braids down off camera, wash it, blow dry it, come back so you guys can see how I'm gonna part this before the install so we can get this done. Also, I'm gonna link all the products that I use to wash and shampoo my hair, and then the after products I use before I blow dry it, just because it's something that has really helped my scalp, and I'm not a gatekeeper. If this is something that can help everybody, I'm gonna give it to y'all too. But if y'all want to know the name of it, it's Head and Shoulders Royal Oils, and it's really good for really dry, itchy scalp. All right, y'all, so I just took my braids out, and I'm gonna come back in here to let y'all know, detangle your hair before you go wash your hair, because if not, you're gonna have locks and knots. Not to say locks are bad, but I'm just saying, when you're trying to detangle it and you don't detangle it before you wash it, you're not gonna have a good wash day. But yes, this is what my hair looks like now before the wash. I did cut myself bangs. Just because I just went on a rampage and I decided to cut off the dead hair that I had in the front, and this was so damaged, it was so bad. It was, my hair used to be down to here, but I cut half of it because it just had to go. But look at it now. It's so much healthier. And then when I get a curly hairstyle, I'm gonna do something like this. Right? It's kind of cute. And look how moisturized my hair still is. Like, I'll take it. Yeah, we're on our way. I'm trying to be a natural girl. We're on our way. But these bangs is giving everything it needs to give. But yes, I'm gonna go detangle my hair and then I'm gonna wash it. I'm back. I have braided my hair down. What I did was I parted the little bit of perimeter out that I was gonna keep, just enough to hide the track, so when the wind blow, I'm not exposed. All right, and then I parted the little leave out I was gonna have in the middle, because it's gonna split in two, so minimal leave out there as well. And then I made 4 anchor braids. So I did 1 small one here, 1 small one here, and 2 small ones going back. Everything else is some nice big dookie braids. Do I know what they look like in the back? Absolutely not. All right, I think I have a total of 5. Yeah, I think 5 big braids and 4 small ones. All right, so again, I have no idea what I'm doing, okay? Disclaimer, no clue, never done this before, but we're gonna do it together. I got myself a plastic bag. This was the idea. Put the plastic bag over my head, put the cap over the plastic bag, put the little gel stuff or the barrier stuff on my head, and then start gluing the tracks on there. So that's what I'm gonna do this for. I have nothing but Target bags, but I found this bag that's mainly white, because Target, I don't know if you know, but the red dye on the Target bags be leaking, and I don't need my hair to be red with no red dye. So I'm gonna put this on my head and we're gonna go from there. All right, so I can see and feel my braids and my parts. So that's good. All right, so let's get the cap. Where'd I put the cap? Oh, that's not the cap. Okay, we found the cap. Oh my God. I'm rushing so bad right now. Okay, put this. Don't this kind of look like a thong a little bit? I don't think I have time to put this barrier thing on. Oh my God. It's 3 o'clock. I don't know. Okay. Glue. And I brought my blow dryer too, so I can do that. All right, so here's what the tracks look like. The double width is kind of skinny, I'm not gonna lie. So I doubled it again, so now it's 4. I'm gonna just go like this. I'm gonna try and see if I can glue them all together like that, and then just start boop, 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 and wrapping and wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. Is it easier to put the glue on the tracks or the glue on your head? Probably the tracks, because I can't see my head. I'm going to attempt to glue it with the weft like this. We got this. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. Hold, please. Okay. One row down. I'm gonna go to just doing 2 tracks now. All right, y'all, so this is the first bundle in. I know it looks crazy right now, but trust the process. And then this is how long it is. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the other 2 bundles, glue the other 2 bundles off camera. It should be a full head, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so this is just 2 bundles, the 2 longest lengths that I have. And as you can see, it completely filled it. Look at that. This curl is so pretty. And this is what it looks like right now. All right, so now for the closure, I'm gonna cut it because I'm gonna have leave out, right? So this is what it looks like right now. It's real skinny, real straight, but I am just going to cut it down the middle, okay? Okay, it's cut. Where's my braids? My braids are right here and right here. So I need to fill just this space with the closure and then this space with the closure. I'm gonna glue this right here, like where my braid is and where this space is. Like this. See, and then look how seamless that is. And if I sew that down, you won't see a track. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. But yes, I'm going to go ahead and glue these off camera so I can see, because I don't got time to mess this up. And then I'm gonna come back, show you guys how I'm gonna style it, how I'm gonna wear it, how I'm gonna install this, and how I'm gonna do my leave out, and we're gonna be out of here. Okay, y'all, on who I ain't like that. Look at that. I don't know what the middle looks like, but it's gonna be covered. Look at that. Look how flat that is. Can't tell me nothing. Check me out. Check me out. Check me out. Y'all. Who am I? Who? Let's actually do that now. I'm just gonna cut this lace out that's not glued down. So let me go blow dry this, blow dry, press this, and then show you guys the final results. My bangs just kind of popped out, so I just let them. But I love a good bang though. They're cute. That's what it looks like with the hair. It ended up looking cuter than I thought it was gonna be with the bangs. I was just like, oh my God, my bangs. I don't know what, she's cute, right? I did brush it out in the bathroom to take away some of the shine, so it look a little more puffier, but yes, this is where we're at. What do we look like with the bangs? How you like? Are you feeling the bangs or would you want like the regular middle part? I'm kind of feeling the bangs, like behind the ear. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling it. It's cute, right? All right, y'all, so this is the final product. I brushed out the hair so that you can, so it wasn't as shiny and it matched more with my natural texture. I did put some sheen in it. I did sew it in on the sides. I did not sew it in the back because why? But yes, I'm about to go to a birthday party, so I had to come back and then finish it and then get dressed so I can go. I'm already running a little late, so I just wanted to show you how you got blah, blah, blah. I just wanted to show you guys how everything came out. Remember I told you I cut those bangs y'all saw earlier, but I just pressed it with a hot comb and then put it by my hair so I can get a cute little sleek look. But yes, so far about manageability, Of course it's gonna tangle. It's $40 hair, come on y'all. But when I'm not doing anything, I just twist it in two and let it chill and then brush it out, and it still comes out like this. So this is the back. I trimmed it a little. I also gave it layers in the front so it didn't look, you know, see I got little layers right here. So it didn't look crazy. Like nobody's hair is straight like that. But yes, tell me what you guys think. Do you love it? This is nice, quick, and easy for me. Like I'm gonna have to do this again somewhere. I don't know. Look how flat that is. Can't see nothing, y'all. Oh my god, I can't believe I haven't done this a long time ago. But yes, let me know if there's anything else you guys want me to try. I'm up for anything. I change my hair every week anyway, so yes, drop something down below. Again, this was Bobbi Boss hair 22. And I only used 2 bundles and a closure. I'm just saying, that other bundle I didn't even have to use. So yes, this is the final look. If you guys want to achieve this look, go back, rewind, watch the video. But yes, okay. And then let me show you my outfit really quick. So it's my outfit. I didn't have time to change my shirt, so I kept this one on. The Support Black Lives from Support Black College. This is the back. So cute. Paired it with a leather skirt, some stockings and some booties, and my Chanel bag. And some jewelry, of course. But yes, I hope you guys love this video. I love this so much. I don't want to rush it off, but I gotta go. It's 7:12. I was supposed to be there by 7 o'clock, but I'll see you guys soon. Oh yes, and if you love this video, like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys. Can't wait to see you guys again. Okay, bye. Mwah.